Imagine a display made from millions of microscopic light sources working together with perfect synchronization to create bright advertisements, massive stadium screens, modern televisions, and smartphone displays. LED screens are now everywhere, in TVs, phones, billboards, automotive systems, industrial equipment, and giant outdoor displays visible from hundreds of meters away. At first glance, an LED display may seem simple because the screen itself emits light directly. In reality, however, manufacturing an LED display is one of the most technologically advanced processes in modern electronics. But how are millions of tiny LEDs produced and assembled into a single screen capable of displaying realistic moving images? The fundamental building block of every LED display is the LED itself, the light-emitting diode. An LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when electrical current passes through it. Each pixel in a display usually consists of 3 primary colors: red, green, and blue. By adjusting the brightness of these 3 colors, the display can generate millions of different shades visible to the human eye. Modern LED screens therefore rely on extremely precise electronic control of individual LEDs. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. The manufacturing process begins at the semiconductor level. LED chips are typically made from advanced semiconductor compounds containing materials such as gallium, indium, and nitrogen. These materials are deposited in extremely thin layers onto semiconductor wafers using highly controlled industrial processes performed inside clean rooms designed to eliminate dust and microscopic contamination. Even tiny particles could damage the delicate semiconductor structure and create defective pixels. Once the semiconductor layers are completed, the wafer is cut into thousands of tiny LED chips. Each chip is then connected to electrical contacts and enclosed inside a protective package. In modern mini-LED and micro-LED technologies, these chips can be smaller than grains of sand, while still producing extremely bright and efficient light. Despite their tiny size, they must operate reliably for many years without significant degradation. What makes LED display manufacturing so extraordinary is the level of precision required. Modern screens contain millions of individual LEDs that must be positioned with microscopic accuracy and operate perfectly together. Even a single defective diode may appear as a visible dead pixel. Because of this, LED panel manufacturing ranks among the most advanced and demanding production processes in the entire electronics industry. Once the individual LED chips are manufactured, one of the most difficult stages of the entire process begins, placing millions of microscopic LEDs onto the display panel with extreme precision. Modern LED displays contain enormous numbers of pixels, and each pixel itself may contain multiple separate LEDs. Large televisions, stadium screens, and advertising billboards can therefore contain millions of tiny components that must all be positioned perfectly. To accomplish this, manufacturers use highly advanced robotic systems known as pick-and-place machines. These automated systems can rapidly pick up microscopic LED chips and place them onto circuit boards or display modules at precisely controlled locations. Modern production lines are capable of positioning tens of thousands of LEDs every minute. However, even the slightest alignment error could affect image quality or create visible defects on the screen. Another major challenge is brightness and color consistency. No 2 LEDs are completely identical. Small differences in brightness, color temperature, or efficiency naturally occur during manufacturing. To solve this problem, manufacturers perform a process called binning. During binning, LEDs are carefully sorted according to their exact brightness and color characteristics. Displays are then assembled using LEDs with nearly identical properties to ensure uniform image quality across the entire panel. After the LEDs are mounted, they must be connected to sophisticated control electronics. Every single pixel must be individually controlled in real time in order to display changing colors and brightness levels. Specialized driver chips and control circuits continuously send signals to millions of LEDs simultaneously. In high-resolution displays operating at high refresh rates, the amount of data being processed every second becomes enormous. The physical structure of the display panel itself is equally important. LED displays must remain thin, lightweight, mechanically stable, and capable of dissipating heat efficiently. Since LEDs generate heat during operation, especially at high brightness levels, modern panels use thermal management layers, metal backplates, and heat-conductive materials to spread and remove heat across the surface of the display. One of the most important systems inside an LED display is the image control system. LEDs themselves only produce light. The actual image appears only because millions of pixels are controlled with incredible speed and precision. Modern displays must process enormous amounts of data continuously, while synchronizing the brightness and color of every individual pixel in real time. Each pixel typically contains red, green, and blue LEDs. By adjusting the brightness of these three colors, the display can create virtually any visible color. To control brightness levels, modern LED displays commonly use a technique called PWM, or pulse width modulation. Instead of changing brightness by continuously varying voltage, LEDs are switched on and off extremely rapidly. The human eye cannot perceive this rapid switching, so the result appears as smooth brightness transitions and stable colors. Refresh rate is another critical parameter. It determines how many times the image is updated every second. Professional LED displays used in television studios, stadiums, and large advertising screens often require extremely high refresh rates to avoid flickering or motion blur, especially when filmed by cameras. Some advanced LED systems operate at refresh rates of several thousand hertz. Data transmission inside the display system is also highly demanding. High-resolution video contains enormous amounts of information that must be processed almost instantly. Large LED walls therefore use extremely fast communication buses, powerful image processors, and specialized controllers capable of synchronizing millions of LEDs with virtually no visible delay. Modern LED displays also rely heavily on image correction and calibration technologies. Software systems can automatically adjust brightness, contrast, color balance, and gamma correction to ensure consistent image quality across the entire display. Some advanced systems continuously monitor the condition of LEDs over time and automatically compensate for gradual aging effects. This allows high-quality LED displays to maintain stable image performance for many years of continuous operation. Although LED displays appear to be simple flat screens from the outside, internally they are extremely complex electronic systems that must handle high power, precise control, and long-term reliability. One of the biggest technical challenges is heat generation. Every LED converts part of its electrical energy into visible light, but a significant amount of energy is also transformed into heat. In large displays containing millions of LEDs, the total thermal output can become enormous. If heat is not removed efficiently, brightness decreases, colors shift, and the lifespan of the LEDs can be reduced dramatically. Because of this, modern LED displays use advanced thermal management systems. Smaller displays often rely on passive cooling using metal structures that spread heat away from the panel, while large commercial LED walls may use active cooling systems with fans and specialized heat-dissipating materials. Power consumption is another major engineering challenge. Massive outdoor LED billboards and stadium displays can consume extremely large amounts of electricity when operating at maximum brightness. Modern control systems therefore dynamically adjust brightness levels depending on surrounding light conditions. During daylight, the display must produce extremely high brightness to remain visible under sunlight, while at night, brightness can be reduced significantly to save energy and extend component lifespan. Quality control during manufacturing is also extraordinarily strict. Even a single defective LED may appear as a visible dead pixel on the finished screen. Manufacturers therefore use automated camera inspection systems and advanced software capable of analyzing millions of LEDs for brightness consistency, color accuracy, and placement precision. Some professional displays are even designed with modular structures that allow individual display sections to be replaced without changing the entire screen. The industry is now rapidly moving toward mini-LED and micro-LED technologies. These next-generation systems use much smaller LEDs with far higher pixel density, improved contrast, greater brightness, and lower energy consumption. Micro-LED technology is considered one of the future directions of display engineering because it combines excellent brightness, extremely fast response times, long lifespan, and true black levels without some of the limitations found in other display technologies. At the core of the entire process, however, the principle remains remarkably simple. Millions of tiny LEDs controlled by highly advanced electronics work together to create images perceived by the human eye as smooth, realistic motion. From semiconductor physics and robotic manufacturing to optics and digital processing, LED display technology represents the combination of multiple advanced scientific fields working together to create the visual foundation of modern digital society.